Hi guys from Charleston. I'm doing a new toy review finally. It's been a pretty long time. So I have something really cool to show you. I found it just now at the plaza, so let's hit it up. So it's the Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty kind of kit that you can make your own putty out of. So I thought it would be a really cool video to show you guys. So basically what this is it comes with everything you need to make your own putty that stress relieves you, I guess so. So right now we have, that's in my hand, is a little tin can for putting your putty that you just made in. So I'm gonna be making this small tin can of putty, and this, I think, is your things to make your putty. So it comes with this little mat, and it's the color mixing zone, the sparkle effects zone, and the decorating zone. And there's a little note on the back from Crazy Aaron. And then there's a little formula sheet that tells you which colors to use. So I'm gonna follow these formulas, and I'm gonna open this up because I think this is where all your stuff is. Yes, I am very correct. So this is magenta glitter concentrate, pink opalizer sparkle effects putty, cyan glitter concentrate again, and then we've got much more in here. Mystifier, more putty, glitter concentrate, and hollowizer sparkle effects putty. So that's all we get for our sparkle effects. I'm gonna open this tin can up to put my putty in. Please give me a moment. Okay, so right now I opened my tin can and it's full of clear putty, and I'm gonna turn back to here. Okay, so I have gotten all my colors out. I've got hollowizer, this black/blue, and this yellow goldish. I think you need to mix it right now. So I'm gonna mix all of this up and see what I get. What? That's so cool. Oh, this is a cool putty. Yeah, this is really cool actually. I'm mixing it all in, and it's turned into this yellow, blue, gray. It's really cool. So it's really nice because it's stretchy, and I'm gonna now create my own tin can. This is the part I've been waiting for. So this is the mat decorating zone. So I'm getting my tin can, and I think they've already gave you the sticker. Yeah, they have. So now I'm gonna get the colored pencils and decorate it. Okay, so I'm getting these colored pencils out. I'm really excited because I like coloring a lot, especially making putty and coloring. That's even more awesome. I'm gonna name this putty Eternal Light because it's really yellow and it's glittery. So I think that's a really cool name. Okay. So this is my little tin can cap that I colored. That's my tin can. So now I'm gonna put my freshly made putty in there, and then I'm gonna take it out. There we go. And now I'm mixing it. The base, I think, is used to make yours a lot brighter and so you can get a lot more putty. So I think this is a success. I would rate it a 4 out of 5. Because why I rated it a 4 out of 5 is because they don't give you lots of putty. It's kind of like a 2-time use. I would like it to be like a 4 or 5 times use. Because for $20, I mean, it's reasonable price. I mean, it's expensive putty. It's it's really stretchy. That's what I like about it. And it's really, if you like knead it a lot, and then it's poppy. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. And I will probably be giving away a tin of putty to someone who subscribes. And comment down below. I subscribed and hit that bell, and I will send one of you guys a tin of putty with my autograph on it. So yeah, bye.